Okay, this is lesson 12 from module 3, and here is our objective. Our objective is to apply the distributive property and the fact that 9 equals 10 minus 1 as a strategy to multiply numbers. Okay, so let's start out by counting by 6s up to 60. 8s to 80 and 9s to 90. Okay, so remember we start at 0. Here we go. Start at 0. 6s, 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Okay, now let's do 8s. Here we go. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Now, 9s to 90. Here we go. 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. All right, moving on. So today we are going to learn, so I want you to get your dry erase boards, and you're going to write 6 times 8. Let's skip count by 8s to solve. So 6 times 8, we're counting by 8, 6 times. I'll put up a finger for each number. So here we go. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Okay, so 6 times 8 equals 48. Okay, now let's skip down to find the answer too. So we're going to start at 80, which is 10. 8 times 10 is 80. And we're going to skip down until we get to 6s, to 6 fingers, right? Okay, so here we go. 80, 72, 64, 46. Sorry, no, hold on. 80, 72, let's see, 72, 64, 56, 48, and that's 6 fingers. So 6 times 8 equals 48. And you can solve that by starting at 10, which is 80 and counting down or counting up. Okay, now we are going to learn how to, I want you to write 20 minus 2 on your dry erase board. And hold on. Okay, so we have, okay, I always get mixed up doing it this way, 20 minus 2. And let's say this in unit form. So 20 is 2 tens. How many tens is 20? 2. So we're separating them out into 2 tens. All right, and 2 ones. So 20 minus 2 is 2 tens and 2 ones. Say that. Okay, now we split this up into 2 tens. So we have 10 and 10 and minus 2. So what is 10 minus 2? Minus 2. 8. So we're going to change this into 8. Then, what's 20 minus 2? 18. So if we were to add 10 plus 8, that would give us the answer, which equals 18. So 2 tens minus 2 ones equals 18. Now, let's write 30 minus 3. So we're going to go 30 minus 3, which is 3 tens minus 3 ones. And we're going to break apart the 30 into 20 and 10. Okay, so 10. What is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 equals 7. And we still have this 20. So 27. So I would change this into a 7 because we took the 3 from it. 10 minus 3 equals 7, and then I have 27. And 30 minus 3 equals 27. Okay, now let's do 40 minus 4. And we're going to take out the 10. So 40 minus 4, right? That, and then let's see if we can solve 40 minus 4 equals what number? I'm going to make, so 40 is, you do 30 and a 10 to make 40. So 30 and 10. Then the next step is I'm going to use that 10 to go 10 minus 4, which equals 6. So then my answer is down here. 36. Because 40 minus 4 equals 36. Is this making sense? Okay, let's do 50 minus 5. Okay, so 50 is going to be broken up into 40 and 10, because 40 plus 10 equals 50. So 40 and 10. We still have this 5. So we're going to go 10 minus 5 equals 5. So we turn that 10 into 5. And then that gives us our answer down here, 45. All right. Now, you should have an application or a template in your folder. If you don't, you can just draw this on your dry erase board. It is, so you're going to draw a number, oh my gosh, a tape diagram. I can't remember what they are called. A tape diagram that has, okay, so a tape diagram that has 10 boxes. And then we are going to solve. I'm going to go ahead and just draw on my dry erase board because that's easier for me to show you how to do it. So hold on. Okay, here is my perfect tape diagram. All right, here is the application problem. All right, so a scientist fills 5 test tubes with 9 milliliters of fresh water in each. She fills another 3 test tubes with 9 milliliters of salt water in each. How many milliliters of water does she use in all? Use the break apart and distribute method. Break apart and distribute strategy to solve. Okay, so she fills 9. So we're going to go, no, she fills 5. So we're going to put 9 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 5 times 9 right here. So here is 5 times 9, 5 boxes with 9 written in them. Then she fills 3 more with 9 milliliters of salt water. So I'm gonna make my dotted line right here, and I'm gonna put 3 more 9s in there. So then I have 3 times 9, and I'm just gonna go ahead and erase those extra boxes. If you're using your paper tape diagram, you can just cross out those 2 extra box. Okay, so or 2 extra boxes. Okay, so we have 5 times 9 on this side, and 3 times 9 on this side. Now, it says how many, so we know that there are 8 boxes. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So 8 times 9 is equal to 5 plus 3 5 plus 3 times 9. So then we are just going to go 5 times 9 plus 5 times 3. Here's what Mrs. Dents put. So if you need to pause and catch up, that's totally fine. So 8 times 9 is equal to 5 plus 3 times 9. Because 5 plus 3 equals 8, and you're timesing all of it by 9. So then down here, I broke it up into 5 times 9 and 5 times 3. You can see that over here. Okay, so 5 times 9 equals 45. And 5 times 3, no. This should be 3 times 9. Whoops, sorry. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. Sorry about that. And I want to turn this 27 into a whole number. So I am going to go, I'm going to break 45 up so that I have 42. And I know, and 3, because 3 plus 27 equals 30. And 30 plus 42 is, hold on. 30 plus 42 is 52. No. What? 8 times 9 is equal to 72. Hold on. Okay, so we have 42 plus 30. 42 plus 30 is equal to 72. And 8 times 9 is equal to 72. So she used up 72 milliliters of water in all. Okay, so see how I took the answer to 5 times 9, which is 45, and I broke it up into 42 and 3, so that it gave me 3 plus 27, which equals 30, because 30 is an easier number to work with than 27, and 42 plus 30 equals 72. All right, next. Okay, so let's go back to our tape diagram that has 10 boxes. Now, our problem that we just solved was there are how many, so first let's talk about how many 8s there are in 10 times 8. There would be 10 8s. How many 8s in 9 times 8, which is the problem that we solved? There would be 9 8s. So I would erase 1 8 and fill this up with 8s. No. Fill this up with 9s. Sorry. So 9 8s. 8s. And you would get the same answer if you were to do 8 9s or 9 8s because it's the same problem. Okay. So if you cross off, so if we wanted to do 9 or 8 9s, we would have to take off 2, and then there would be, and change it from 8s to 9s to be 8 9s. Yeah, 8 9s, and we would need 9 boxes to have 9 8s. I hope that makes sense and I didn't make you more confused. Okay. The last thing I want you to do is to work on your problem set. Set a timer for 10 minutes and then finish your exit ticket. Please reach out to your teacher if you have any questions or concerns about this. I believe in you. I know that you can do it. Have a great day.